Hi there, I'm Crypto Ibuki, author of dYdX TradingView Strategy Integration Tool. This is a tutorial video and I'm going to share what this tool is and how to run. So this tool is free and self-hosted tool for you to integrate TradingView Strategy Alert and execute automated trading for dYdX. This means you can easily build and run trading bot empowered by TradingView Strategy for dYdX. I assume most of you already know dYdX and TradingView itself, so I don't explain them in detail in this video. But dYdX is a perpetual futures protocol based on Starkware, and TradingView is a trading analysis software that is very popular among traders. But what is TradingView strategy? I don't go into details, but I'm gonna explain a little bit here because I assume some of you are not familiar with it. TradingView strategy is a function we can create and simulate backtesting and forward testing trading strategy easily on TradingView platform. TradingView also provides basic built-in strategies, for example, MACD strategy and RSI strategy, which we can try out of the box. If we go to indicators and technicals and strategies, we can find built-in strategies like this. So here, let's say I pick up super trend strategy, and we can see buy sell a lot here and historical result of this strategy and performance summary like net profit and profit factor and so on. We can apply them to different time interval like this, 15 minutes. And also we can apply them to different market. For example, let's say Ether, Perp, like this. In addition, lots of other traders are sharing their strategy we can try easily in the community. For example, this is EDMA scalping strategy by Mighty Zinger. And these strategies are script written in so-called Pine script, so anyone can share their idea and strategy in the community. And you can build your own custom strategy by yourself if you write Pine script. So this integration tool capture these strategies by sell alert and execute order for dYdX automatically. And please read following materials if you want to know more in details. And actually, I have been using this TradingView strategy function for around 3 years, and this is very helpful and flexible tool that helps my trade. Next, I'm gonna explain prerequisites. To run this tool, there are 3 requirements. The first one is computing machine, which can be cloud service or local PC or Raspberry Pi or whatever to host this tool that has a stable internet connection. Second one is TradingView account, at least Pro plan, which means Pro or Pro Plus or Premium. This is because this tool utilizes webhook notification to send strategy alert from TradingView. So basic and free plan is not enough to run this tool. Lastly, a dYdX trading account with collateral already in place. This tool does not include any onboarding function, so users have to create a dYdX account and deposit collaterals in advance. And also I recommend creating and using exclusive different dYdX account for running a trading bot, not only for enhancing your security but also tracking your trading performance easily. Of course, this tool does not guarantee your future profit, and you have to use this tool by your responsibility. But I believe this tool can empower dYdX traders. From now on, I'm gonna explain how to run this tool. At first, I'm gonna run them on my local PC for testnet because I recommend testing and understanding the overall process of this tool at first, and after that go running for mainnet. I assume you have already installed Node.js, so if not, please install from this official website. And my Node.js version is 16.13.1. First step is installing source code from this repo and its dependencies. So just run this git clone and change directory. Yes, and install dependencies by yarn. This takes some time, so please just wait until it's done. Then we need start key and API key values to run this tool, and we can get them from browser. So go to dYdX trading page, and at this guide we are gonna set up for testnet. So if you are on mainnet, please change to testnet from here. And right click on any blank part of the page and click inspect and go to application tab and go to storage and local storage, and we can find start key pairs and API key pairs like this. Then we're gonna set these start key and API values as environment variables. So open editor. I'm using VS Code, so open them up. And at first, we have to rename this .m.sample to .emb. Then we filling these variables. So first one is ether address. So this one, and stock public key, stock private key, and API key. So go to API key pairs and this key value, and passphrase, secret. So required variable part is done. This TradingView passphrase is optional, but I recommend setting to enhance your security. This must be your unique passphrase. I set like ebook key 1234. Of course, this is not real one and only testing purpose. And this Sentry DNS is also optional, and we don't set them in this video, but this tool integrates Sentry.io for monitoring, so if you are interested in, please follow this guide. Alright, setting is done, so start up server by this command. start test. So copy and paste and run. Yeah, and go to localhost and specify port to 3000. Yeah, we can see OK message on browser and output account data on console. Yes, so your server is working properly. Next, we need to get public URL and tunnel to your localhost to receive webhook from TradingView. There are several ways to do that. I'm gonna use ngrok, this one, because this is popular, secure, and easy to use. I have already installed ngrok to my local PC, so please follow this guide. Install ngrok and sign up and add auth token by this command. After this setting is done, leave this server running, open new terminal window, and my ngrok version is 2.3.40, and start ngrok by this command. After running this yarn ngrok command, we can find this forwarding URL and copy this HTTPS URL and paste to browser. Yeah, we can see OK message on browser too. Yeah, so your local setup is all done. After your server setup is done, please go to this page, test TradingView strategy alert, to set alert on TradingView for testing purpose. So at TradingView website, select BTC perp of Binance. This could be whichever market, but I picked up this market and set time interval to 1 minute. Yes. And open Pine Editor tab, this one, and delete original script and paste this script and click Add to Chart. Yeah, so this script triggered buy and sell alert alternately in every 1 minute for testing purpose. So set alert by this click alert icon and set webhook URL to this public URL by ngrok and delete this original message and paste this message. Yes, and click create button. Yeah, please just wait until next alert is triggered, and after that on dYdX web page, yeah, we can see buy and sell alert order is executed like this, and we can stop this test alert from here. In the previous part so far, we can see and understand the overall process. Set up your server and set strategy alert on TradingView and execute our order from TradingView to dYdX. So from now on, we're gonna set up for mainnet on cloud service. This tool can be hosted on any cloud platform which supports Node.js or Docker. But one caveat is that platform using ephemeral file system, for example Heroku and DigitalOcean app, are not suitable for this app because these tools store JSON data and export CSV files. This guide we post on render.com because this is not expensive and friendly for us non-developer. With render.com, we can set up server without touching terminal and editor. First step is sign up at render.com, and after that we can see web page like this, and we have to select this web service. And at this page, enter this repository URL, or you can use your forked repo from original repository if you want, and click this one. This name can be whatever name you want, but it must be unique name, and this name become a subdomain of your public URL. At this environment port, we have to leave it to Docker. And this region part, we have to clear this part and select one of regions except for Oregon, because dYdX has a location restriction for United States. So here I select Singapore, and at plan part, we need at least starter plan to use this disk feature. So enter payment information from here. After adding payment information, I select starter plan and then click this advanced button and click add secret file button, and file name is .emp, and add file content, copy and paste this contents in .m file, but we have to replace them with mainnet values. Go to dYdX mainnet page and get start key and API key from browser. I cannot show this part on my screen because those data is my real and private one of mainnet, but the way to get them is same as testnet we did previously. After filling and saving .m file, click this add disk button. We need them because these two store strategies data as JSON file and export order history as CSV file. And name can be whatever name you want. So like this. And mount path must be same as this path /app/data. And 1 GB is enough for size part. At this auto deploy field, if we set it to yes, render.com automatically deploys changes to your web service when I or someone push to this GitHub repository. So setting of this part is up to you, but I recommend setting them to no, because it's safer and we can also deploy manually. Yeah, so all setting is done, and just click this create web service button. Render.com automatically start deployment, so just wait until it's done. After deployment is done, we can see this status is live, and after that click this your endpoint URL. Yeah, and we see OK message on your own browser. It's same as running on local PC, so this web server is running properly. So now we can host web service on render.com and use this endpoint URL as webhook URL when you set strategy alert on TradingView. Last step is setting strategy alert on TradingView. We have already tested strategy alert, but here we're gonna set the real alert of real strategy. Strategy alert message must be JSON format and same format as exact as this. But I guess common mistake of first our user of this tool is setting alert message part. So I have built this front-end tool so that we can create alert message JSON easily and with no mistake. In this video, as an example, we're gonna run Bollinger Band strategy for Wi-Fi and set time interval to 1 hour. Unfortunately, dYdX price chart is not available on TradingView now, so choose perpetual futures market of other exchanges which has enough liquidity, for example Binance or FTX. In this video, I use Binance Wi-Fi perpetual futures. And go to indicators and technical strategies and select Bollinger Band strategy. Then go to this alert message generator frontend and fill these parameters. So at first, strategy name, this could be any string to distinguish each strategy. So I'm gonna set like B-band Wi-Fi, and market is of course Wi-Fi, and order size I'm gonna set 0.1, and please be careful, this order size must be greater than minimum order size on dYdX. This is reverse order strategy parameter. It is a bit complicated but important parameter. Check on if this strategy takes opposite position on each trade and always has long or short position. For example, this Bollinger Band strategy is reverse order strategy, because on each trade, this strategy not only closes current position, but also at the same time take opposite position. So that means this strategy always has long or short position. So we have to set on here. Our last passphrase is optional. If we set this, it must be matched to this TradingView passphrase, value of environment variable of your server. Then click generate button, and we can see generated JSON. So click this copy the clipboard button. Next, go to TradingView website and click this alert button to set alert, and set this webhook URL to this URL you got in render.com, and these notify on app, show pop-up, send email, These are optional, so please set if you want. And this message put, delete original one and paste this generated JSON like this, yeah, and click create button. That's it. Now we have done all setup to integrate TradingView strategy for dYdX and running your trading bot. Again, this tool does not guarantee your future profit, and you have to use it by your responsibility. But this TradingView strategy is very powerful, and your strategy possibility is endless. I believe this tool can help you trade on dYdX. If you have any question or need any help, please DM me on Discord. Thank you.